Namaste. In this video, I will share you how to make money online. Before starting and before even thinking about making money online, I want you to ask yourself that why you want to make money and how much you want to make money, because these two questions are very important. The first question is why you want to make money. If you ask yourself and like the answer comes like if you want to buy car, aeroplane, or if you or whatever, like if you want to buy house or if you want to go abroad, or so many things are there, you have to be very conscious about your needs, because sometimes your needs are this actually is they are not needs, actually they are brainwashed by media. So you may need a, you may think you want a iPhone, you want something, very expensive thing which is not required really. So you have to list it out and find out is really required for you. You ask yourself before getting anything, you ask yourself, is it really needed, is it really required, after you think about buying that. So once you list why exactly you want to make money, write yourself, then next question comes how much money is needed. Then once you are clear about why and how much money you want needed, then you can start thinking about how to make money online. So online thing is, I will share you my experience. So my name is Ganesh and I am 40 years old. I have to tell this in all the videos because you may think like I'm a 25 or something. I don't know, but many people said me that you look very young, 25 years old. So now coming to the point. So when I started in 2003, so I was that time there is no internet, proper internet here in India. So that time I was learning about internet marketing and many other stuff using e-books, electronic books. There was no proper YouTube also. Forget about YouTube, it was not running properly. Even internet page, website pages are not opening properly. That time I used to study about internet marketing and these things, and I was finding a way to work from home. So but now there are many opportunities. So now to make money online, you have to write down your skills, whatever skills you have, write down. Let's say you don't have any skills, then still you can make money. So you can make money by learning yourself. For example, you can use website like Udemy. There is an app also nowadays. You can download that app, otherwise go to that website. There are many free courses also. Otherwise you can Google Udemy free coupon, otherwise something like that. So some website will come, otherwise I will say in description I will provide links of a coupon website where they will post free course, coupon for free courses. So you can learn different things from Udemy and offer same thing on freelancer websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or many websites are there. So if you search for freelancing website, then many website will come. So one first thing is you have to learn. So like Amitabh Bachchan said, "Seekhna band to jeetna band." Is really best line I have heard from him. So I think you have to learn. You just have to keep on updating yourself every day. So you have to learn and learn more skills and be perfect, practice it, and you start giving service as per that skill. That is the one part you can do. Another thing is affiliate marketing. So I earned major sum of money from affiliate marketing. I used to do forex affiliate marketing for an international broker. So they used to pay money as a commission internationally for like let's say I used to refer clients, foreign clients to foreign broker, and I used to get paid commission as they trade online. So like that in India also there are affiliate marketing, like affiliate website. Like for example, you can become an affiliate of Amazon India, and you can create a WordPress website. So how to create a WordPress website? There is a course on Udemy. So you learn about WordPress and host a website, then there you can post review or details of the product, then post link of Amazon. So if you search for Amazon associates, you can become a affiliate, like associate of Amazon. Then they will give you link, that link you can use it and make money on Amazon. So they will pay you every month directly to your bank account. So there are many things online nowadays. You can, by that you can make a living from home itself. So there are like YouTube also, like let's say you have some skills which you can share on YouTube. Like let's say you can sing very well, you can buy simple mic like this and you can sing a song, otherwise do something, say something, or do or show something. Like let's say you are good in arts or something, you can draw arts and show people how to do that. If you are good in cooking, you can start a cooking channel. Before starting anything, you have to know how to do it. It's not about working very hard. If you know how to do it properly, then you will be very successful. Now in the end, even after making so much money, people feel they are missing something. There will be no satisfaction in their life. So I want you to find out from which, by doing what you will be very satisfied. So such thing you have to do, then you will, success will be there. Satisfaction is, I feel like satisfaction is very more important than success. So first thing you have to do is why you want to make money, how much you want to make money. Then if you don't have skills, you learn skills and find out things which make you very satisfied. Then do that and you can make money online itself. I hope this video helped you some way. If you like this, please share it. If you want to follow me, please subscribe, and namaste.